Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing the FEMI beauty method, and here I'm just starting off by applying some base coat to my natural nails, and then I'm going to cure in the nail lint for 30 seconds. Next, I'm going to take my hand file and just file the back of these full cover nail tips. These full cover nail tips are from AliExpress, and I'm also going to file the free edge to remove that little piece of plastic. And once I have finished filing these nails, the back and the tip, I'm going to remove the dust with my little brush. And here is my nail holder, and I'm also using some double-sided tape. And I use this so like when I do the nails, sometimes when I hold it, the polygel gets on my hand and it becomes sticky. So I just use this to limit the stickiness on my hands. And I'm using this purple iris shade from makartt. This color is from their House of Florist kit, and I'm just using their makartt brush also. And then for this pinky nail, I'm just doing it this solid purple shade. Once I finish with my pinky nail, I'm moving on to my ring finger, and I'm just using this glitter and some gold foil. I'm starting off by putting some base coat gel into the nails and adding some of the glitters and foils, and then I'm going to flash cure. And then once I do that, I'm going to add more base coat on top of that, because you want to add a barrier so that when you go in with the polygel, it doesn't go underneath the design and it looks weird when you put it on the nail. So I'm just going to let you guys watch this process. And this is how it looks once I finish adding in the foils how I would like. I just flash cured for about 15 to 20 seconds and then going in with more base coat. The base coat just adds a layer of protection so that when you go in with the polygel, it doesn't seep underneath the design and mess up the whole nail. So I just flash cured that and then going in with this polygel. And so going on to the next finger, this is my middle finger, and I'm going to be doing the same exact thing as I did for my ring finger, except I'm going to be adding the glitters and the foils in the opposite direction, and then I'm going to flash cure and do everything that I did. There's not much to this design. I'm just going to let you guys finish watching this process, and then I'm going to come back in the end. Once I had all of the nails applied, this is what it looked like so far. And I'm just taking some rubbing alcohol and just cleaning off the stickiness from the nails, and also making sure that I wipe underneath. And then next I'm going to go in with my hand file and just get the cuticle area just to make sure that it looks more natural, and also file the free edge and the sides of the nails just to make sure that there are no polygels that spill up the sides, and just making sure that I clean up the shape of the nails. And then once I'm done with filing, I wipe off the dust again with some rubbing alcohol. And then next I'm going to go in with some top coat to all of the nails, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. And this was my favorite part because adding the top coat, the gold glitters became so much shinier. This is the cuticle oil that I use. I got it from Amazon. I will make sure that I link it below. But I'm just adding some cuticle oil to my cuticles and just rubbing that in. And this is how the nails turn out. Such a simple set, but I do love these gold foils and the purple colors together. This purple color is so pretty, so easy to do, and I feel like this came out super pretty. And as always, if you have made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.